Add water according to your coffee grounds amount. For example, if using 30 grams of coffee, fill water to the 0.5 L mark. Place 1 filter paper into the funnel, then add your desired amount of coffee grounds. Gently shake the container to ensure even distribution of the coffee powder. Attach the funnel to the stand. Slide the lever to adjust your preferred brewing flow and timing. Press the hot brew button once while in ready mode. You'll hear one beep. The hot brew icon will glow solid white, and brewing will begin. During operation, press hot brew to pause. Press again to resume. If no action is taken within 40 seconds, the machine returns to ready. When the hot brew is finished, you'll hear 2 beeps. The machine enters keep warm mode orange light for 40 minutes, then returns to ready. To exit immediately, hold the hot brew button for 3 seconds.